Alright, let's get into it. In case you're wondering if something's new, because it is, because I got a haircut. I like it. And I got new shades. I like these. In fact, Wyatt Benjamin was the one who gave them to me. He's actually the guy who was encouraging me to start this YouTube channel and all that. And so go check out his videos. I'll leave a link in the description below when I support him. But let's get into this then. I have a couple packages, and we'll start off with the small one. This is from eBay that I bought. And so yeah, open it up, get that out of the way, get nice bubble wrap. Person was really nice wrapping that, so that's good. We have this Black Widow action figure from Avengers Infinity War. Yeah, not much else to say about that. And then we get the weird one. This is also from eBay, and you can probably see why it's from eBay, because it's wrapped in a pizza box, which is the weirdest packaging I've ever seen in my life. And it's just covered in tape. So we'll see how long it takes to get this open. I don't want to damage the product inside, because I know it's obviously very fragile, as it says on the box there. Oh, it's tape on the back too. Good grief. This is why a Bear Grylls knife always comes in handy. It's super sharp and very durable. Alright. Ho-ho! And we get the Vessel 21 Pilots vinyl record. If you saw my last video, I unboxed my new record player that I got, and so this is hopefully something I can start collecting, is these vinyls and stuff. So this is the very first one that I actually bought. So really happy about this. And I mean, it was only $15 on eBay when it's normally like $20-25 on Amazon. So good deal on that. But I really hope it plays, because the packaging was so weird. But no, definitely, guys, like, check out, before you buy something, go just check out eBay, because this was brand new, and it's $15, and you have no idea what kind of deals you can find on eBay, so definitely check that out. And last but not least, I went by the comic store this morning, decided to pick up some stuff, so I'll show you what I got there. I got the second issue of the Symbiote Spider-Man comic. This was a variant cover that they released, which I really love that variant with the symbiote suit. And then I also got Miles Morales Spider-Man issue number 6. Yeah, number 6. So really love this series. It's been one of the best comic series I've ever read. So yeah, got to pick those up too. Alright, well, I guess that's it for this video. Hope you have a great day, and until next time.